Now we are going to install our compiler. What a compiler does, it takes your C code and changes it into executable. When you download a game or application, you found the application.exe executable. That's what you get after you compile your file. So we are going to install our Mingw-w64. We'll go to the official site. I will provide it in the course resources. Then head to downloads. We will search for the Mingw-w64-builds. It's a compiler for C, C++, Fortran, works for Windows platform. Start downloading from source Forge. And it's supposed to start downloading now. Yep. Here it comes. In 4, 3, 2, 1. And voila. After it finishes, we will continue installation. After we successfully downloaded it, we will start installation. Yes. Next. It is just getting up all its files. You have to choose your architecture for your computer, whether you are 64 or 86-bit. My computer is 64. So and also you have to choose a version. I will choose the latest version, 8.1.0. Next. Don't make it in the program files menu. Make it in the C direct. And I don't want a shortcut in start menu. This will be our directory. Next, adjust downloading. After it finishes, we will continue. Our installation is now complete. Next, and now we finished our installation. What we are going to do next is that we are going to add our compiler to our system variables, our environment variables. What is that? Soon we'll be using an IDE, text editor, whatever to write our codes. So we want the libraries, the functions, the things that make handling our code much easier, the compiler itself available for our IDE and text editor. So now we are going to add it to our system variables. We opened control panel, system, and search for env, edit the system environment variables, press in environment variables. We don't want to play with anything here, and it's if we just change it anything, it might cause a serious problem. Choose path, then edit. Here we have to add our compiler. So new, we added a directory and we are going to make it for our compiler. We installed it on C drive. As you can see, Mingw-w64. We go to the pin, which is binary, which contains all our compiler things. Okay, we will just move it up for a bit, and now we are done. The next thing we are going to do is to check if what we did was right or not. We opened a CMD. As you can see, I will make it a little bit larger. So we are going to check by writing g++ space -- version, and voila, g++ Mingw-w64 project version 8.1.0. So now we are done. We are going to install VS Code as text editor and CodeLight as an IDE. You can work with the one that you feel more comfortable. If you have already your IDE or your text editor, keep using it. I encourage you to do that, but if you don't have, I will install VS Code and work with it for some time, and CodeLight and work with it for some time, and let you choose what you are most comfortable with. See you in the next lecture.